Here we are. I'm Kenton, by the way. I am the trader for you all in this channel. So here we go. This is my account where I add my money. This is from Bitcoin. I do it through Cash App, but we ain't gonna talk about Cash App because I'm going through something with them right now. So we ain't gonna talk about that. But you can do. I use these people now, so y'all can see. If you go right here to this website, I'm set up with them, and you can Apple Pay right to them and get your Bitcoin that way. And that's the way that I'm about to start doing it. So suit yourself. Let's get it. Alright, so yeah, this is my account, and this is where I trade. This is Trading View, but it's called Trade Locker with KLT. So all you would do, is go to your accounts, click launch, and it's Trade Locker. Boom, boom, boom. So boom, yada yada yada. Now, so what we're looking at here is the chart. We're on the weekly time frame. That's where we always want to start. But before we go there, we actually need to start here. So this week coming up, I like to look at my news report, and I try to find the medium impact and high impact folders. That's what we call them. The orange ones are medium, red ones like the strongest, and that's the two colors that I like to look for when I'm looking at news. So for instance, Tuesday, we'll want to be ready. I usually like to be up and be ready around 7 o'clock, but 8 o'clock is fine, and you want to wait to see 9 o'clock come around, and it will inject a certain amount of volatility in the market. So you'll see that through time for practicing going through it. And that's the cool thing. You can demo trade. That's where you just using paper money and it's not real, but you can still interact with the chart. Or you can go live when you're ready. But yeah, that's another story for another day. So what we do here, I use let me type ICT. Alright, hold on 1 second. ICT. So, but we ain't gonna talk about ICT. I can go to his YouTube page. I'll send y'all a link under the description. You can go to his channel. So yeah, here we go. So it's certain signatures that he's titled certain things in the market that he's seen through his years of trading. So the first thing that I like to look for or put on my chart is the new weekly opening gap. That's what NWOG stands for on here. And he usually says we look for the cluster of them to figure out where we might think price will go. So this week is a little funny because it's in the middle between two, but you can see that all of them are really down here. So I'll actually probably be focusing for price to go down here, and that's really all we do. We predict where price is gonna go, if it's gonna go up there or if it's gonna go down here. And everything, it's not, this is not perfect, so you can lose money, but that's not the name of the game that we are here for. We're here to make money, so that's why you're here with me now. So yeah, price doesn't just go straight down or straight up. It has a little bit of ridges in it. So let me erase that. So let's get to it. So the way I like to get into the market and put my money into it is through this model right here. I'm gonna just show y'all his page so y'all can just see. So it's called the breaker block. Boom. Alright. Nope. Alright. I just need to find this description. So I only really focus on A and B. So what is that? So if you look at this real quick, I'm gonna be saying things like buy side liquidity, where price will, take out a certain high and low. So that's how we really look for, is the highs and lows. It's like 2 important points. When price takes it out, a move happens right here that we focus on to ride this down and make money. Same thing with going up, and that's this diagram right here. So this is the breaker. Boom. It takes out liquidity, goes up, boom, does what it does. A and B. Make your measurements and make money off of that. So let's do it. Alright. So I believe price is going to go down because of these 2 equal lows, but price might want to continue to go up for a little bit, but we're going to focus on sell programs. So we have buy programs and sell programs. That's what ICT speaks about. Like I said, you can go to this channel that you just saw. I'll put the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like this and share. You can comment, give me a shout out, say what's up. Let me see, I'm trying to find this tool. So yeah, I believe it's gonna go lower. Now we'll go to the daily. Right? Go to the daily. So I believe price is gonna come back down here and maybe enter into this fair value gap that we call in the well, it's really a BISI, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, because the buy side is efficient and the sell side is lacked, so that's why it's called that. And the SIBI would be the reversal of that. Sell side inefficient sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, because it's lacking buy side. So it's simple, nothing crazy. So one of his instructional videos that he had, he was saying that all price does is bounce. So I mean, you can see that it did that in the past. So let's just do a little bit of